In this video, we will explore 3 abandoned locations, from a massive paper mill to an entire ghost street. We will climb towers, do some crazy shit there, and even get chased. We'll find murder weapons and everything. This is a crazy video, so keep watching.
Check out this factory, and over there is, as you can see, another abandoned factory. So let's check it out. Over there you can go inside too. There's a door open, and here the thing, yeah, I know how it's called, is open to the fence. So let's check it out. Oh, looks beautiful. You can go upstairs. Look at this. Oh, oh, the wooden stairs are sketchy. Look. Oh, oh, oh fuck. Oh, it's so high, but we can still go up. Look, but it's empty, but still very nice location. By the way, guys, it's a paper mill. But look, huh? This is a pool. Look, these are the pool tiles. What the fuck? This is a pool. It's a abandoned paper fabric. But what is this? If you know it, leave it in the comments. Look. Abandoned buildings got so literally crazy dips. That's insane. Wow. So sketchy. But still, we can go up. One more. On these wooden stairs. We can go on the roof. Wow. What a nice location. Oh, there. Oh, there. Wow. Over there some other buildings too of the fabric. A high tower. Look, as you can see, these are the pools, but then a floor down. So weird. Look, but it's empty, but still a very nice building. Don't mind. Oh, you saw jails here, man. Gila. Huh? Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Boys, we joined the back rooms.
This is the back rooms, you know.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Dat is wel een dikke.
Moet ik schuiven?
Oh shit. Okay, we made it. Ja, mijn gluten. And I have a white Montclair t-shirt on. I don't think it was smart for an Urbex though. But here it's like new roof, and over here all companies, wine companies, cava, everything. So I think it was used for like a ceremony or something. Oh look, it's like the things from the cave. From a cave. What the fuck? All mold over there. Voila. It's open and they are struggling. They don't know. Whoa. They were struggling on the other side. Oh, wow. This looks amazing, man. Oh, they closed the fucking door, man.
Je kunt wel die trapjes nemen. Maar die beneden valt.
Die Urbex Monkey.
Maar kan dat de voet naar.
Is een monkey, hè, bro. De Urbex Monkey zende. Oh, and it's already high, hè. Look. Oh. I'm tired as fuck. But we are again on the roof. And so we can see our friend, the monkey, the Urbex Monkey. And look, he's there. Oh, een tweede op. Look.
Wat je met para, bro.
Oh. What the fuck, man.
Urbex Monkey. Over there. What the fuck?
Hey, you find these little places tucked away everywhere if you know where to look.
So this was the paper fabric, a really nice location though. Now we are going to search for the second location, and then we are going to the location in the evening, the abandoned street. What the fuck? look at the guy. What the fuck? The monkeys, man, the monkeys. Boo 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 boo. Ah, boo 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 boo. So guys, we are back in the car. Over there is the DTI, and we are going to the next location, a mansion. Let's go! Wow, it looks so good on camera. The mansion. This is an abandoned building, but the neighbors saw us, so probably police is coming. But look, wow! Look at this. Oh, but that house is looking at us. Fucked up, man. But it's so beautiful, wow. Look at this domain. We are inside. You really can see it was an expensive building, man. It's the back rooms right here. Oh. A bathroom inside of the kelder, the basement. Oh, this was a man cave. Oh, garage. Oh, fuck. Bro, look how insane this fucking house was. Bro, what? This is a house, boys. Wow. Crazy. Old TV right here. Wow, it was so nice. Ja? Waar? Look, oeh. De krant. 98. What the fuck? Van wat? Bellevue. Fuck. Hello guys, MTV Cribs right here. Show me your house, man. Wow. Whoa, okay. Yes, I see it. Yes. Oh, is this your quote?
It's my quote.
That's how you afford it? Yes. Because of that quote?
Yes.
That's your motivation?
That's my motivation. I read every day. If you come here, you can see my roommates.
Yes.
And if you come here, you need to look.
Oh! What is there? Huh? MTV Cribs? This MTV Cribs, brother.
This is my shitter.
Oh, this is your shitter, yes. Very beautiful. Whoa. What a fucking nice building. What a nice mansion. Here the terrace. Wow, man. It's so beautiful.
So nice, so beautiful. This is my new home.
Yes, I like it, man.
Watch out if you don't fall.
Imagine sleeping here and waking up to this view, man. So nice.
So guys, if you see here, this is my living room. It's in a bit of a renovation, but
Yes.
it will be a lot of nice stuff I'm gonna put here.
Yeah, what you want to
I
put
already
here?
got my
Because
mirror.
you got like 70 rooms, so.
Yeah, so it's hard for me to find what I'm gonna decorate everything in and so, but
Okay. Coco. We made it back to our car. What a fucking nice location was this again, man. Wow.
2 hours later.
Like there are a lot of buildings, more than 100 buildings right here down the street that are empty, so that's really crazy. But it's like at a busy road, but we will see. It's like Doel or something, but yeah, very weird. It's all empty because they are putting in a highway here. So let's check these locations. Look, like that house is abandoned, that house is abandoned, that house is abandoned, that house is abandoned. So weird, man. Crazy. We are in the first building. Oh, that's crazy. It's like it's literally new. It's all new. And it's abandoned. That's really crazy. What the fuck? This is like a new construction and it's abandoned. Oh, so weird, man. What the look at this. Look. We're on top of the building. Look at this. The first building. New abandoned building. I don't know what this is though. It looks like a fire department or something. Look. Look. Big ass doors. It's very big right here. This is the building, but it's very empty inside. But you got like the garage ports. So I think it was a fire department, but I'm not sure. Yeah, we're going to look inside. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, it smells. Oh, pictures. Oh, een shankshot. It's literally 3:30 in the morning and it's so busy on this road. I don't get why. What are those people doing, man? Yeah, now there's no cars, but yeah, there were a lot of cars. Wish off-roading. Oh yes, it's open. Yes. Okay, finally something. Air Forces. Kitchen. Everything's there behind. Sex party over here. What? Oh. What the fuck? Sketchy, man. The red room. This looks like a strip club or something. Okay, it just looks like I'm in a messy room or something.
De vlog van
Oh, je kanker hebt zijn gelogen.
Die Gucci belt. Hoe dik. Oh.